everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in the app Oman Geoheritage. This app showcases the most beautiful natural sites across Oman as well as their 3-word addresses so that people can easily find them. So let's just go ahead and get into the app. And as you can see, there are a bunch of different tours that you can choose from, and you'll have to download one of these. And in my case, I've already downloaded Al Hajar. So let's go ahead and click on that and click Start Adventure. Here you can see all the natural sites on the map. To learn more about each of these sites, you can either click on the icon or you can scroll through and choose the one you like. So in my case, I'm going to click on this one over here. And here you can see the picture of the site as well as some explanation with it and its 3-word address. In this case, it's picturing having procreation. That's how easy it is to use what3words in the app Oman Geoheritage. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.